everybody! I am Mommy Marms and this is Cupcake! Welcome!
Mother.
Yes, welcome to our cooking
Daughter.
show! I'm the mother and you are the?
Daughter.
Very good! Okay, 今天妈咪要教你做 cranberry orange muffin. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, first, we need an
Orange.
orange, and then we need 1/3 cup of
Sugar.
and we need 1/2 cup of orange juice, and we need 1 cup of
Flour.
very good, my sweetheart, and we need 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and we need a 1/2 cup of
Butter.
butter and your favorite
Egg.
and we need 1/3 cup of yogurt with 1/3 cup of buttermilk.
Substitute lang.
Oh, it's a substitute, my dear. 如果你没有那个 buttermilk, 你可以做 1/3 cup of buttermilk or 1/3 cup of milk. 你看妈
You
咪
buttermilk 吗？
如果你没有那个 yogurt, 你可以做 1/3 cup of milk with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Okay? And we also need some
Raisin.
dried cranberries and some walnuts. Okay? So now, let us start with our mixing, your favorite part. But first, what we need to do is to grate some orange zest. Mommy, tell me, ha? Wait. Let me get a bowl. Here. Okay, you. Okay, there. Oh! I think it's the other way around, my dear. Oh, you're right. There. Okay. So, while Cupcake is grating some of the orange zest, what you need to do after getting some orange zest is you mix the orange zest with the sugar. And this is our finished product in advance. The purpose of doing that is so that the orange flavor will infuse into the sugar. Cupcake, smell the sugar with the orange zest.
Good.
Smells good? Okay. And also, the thing we need to do in advance is cook the orange syrup. So, what we need to do, Cupcake, look at me, Mommy. Mommy, tell me, diba? I'm the teacher.
We'll put it there.
Kan mo? So, we cook the orange. Ni kan dali. Orange, put it in the saucepan together with sugar.
What?
And boil it.
Saucepan.
Saucepan 就是这个我给你看哈. This is the saucepan. Mommy show you. So, Cupcake, you have to put the orange in the saucepan. I'll show you. Put this in the saucepan. Okay?
Okay.
Together with the sugar. And then, we boil it for 10 minutes. And voila! We have an orange syrup. Smell again. Smells good, ma.
Hot.
Hot. It's very hot. You're right. Okay.
Hot.
Because moment you make orange juice, diba? And next, what we need to do is, this is the best part. We have to whisk this one. Mix lang. Let's set this aside. First, we have to whisk the flour.
How much
Alright.
flour?
The flour is 1 cup. Put the 1 cup flour, and then we put the 3/4 teaspoon baking powder together with the